Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and today I want to show you how I am deep cleaning our entryway from our garage and our laundry room. And when I say deep cleaning, I don't normally do a spring clean. What I usually do is zone cleaning, which means that I have broken up our house into different zones, 8 different zones, and I try to rotate through those zones so that about every 8 weeks, everything's getting clean. And I have been kind of negligent in this area, so I wanted to share with you today what I'm planning to do. I just have a lot of things that I've let pile up in this entryway, and we have a nice system for organizing our shoes and coats and bags and things like that. But because we're sort of changing seasons right now, we have a lot of winter shoes and coats and things that we're not really using anymore, so I want to put those things away, plus purge any old shoes or things that just need to be tossed or donated. And in the laundry room, we just have some general cleanup to do. I want to do a few things that I don't do on a weekly basis, like clean the tops of the shelves, and we have some things up there that I need to go through, boxes of old light bulbs, things like that. So I'm going to do that today, and I thought you might like to join me. If you like cleaning videos, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. So before we get started, I just want to say I actually already started pulling everything out of this area. So I'll back up a little bit with a video and show you what I did. And I still have a lot of things to take down and sort through, so I will show you that whole process too. So this is what everything looked like before I got started. There are boots and coats that need to go back into our closets because we're not going to be needing those anymore. And their shoe shelf is so full that a lot of my shoes are on the floor, so I need to take care of that. So I'm going to start removing things, cleaning, and then reorganizing. I'll explain as I go along what I usually do for zone cleaning in the laundry room. The extra thing I'd like to do today is to get up on top of the shelves and get down those boxes up there that have some old light bulbs and really vacuum and dust up there, which I don't do regularly. I started by removing everything from the entryway shelves, and then I put everything away for the winter and other items that I just want to relocate. Then I gave the shelves a good vacuuming, and there was a lot of dirt from our shoes up here.
Guarding your faith with the palm of your hands. I know, yeah, I know. It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy.
And because I love when our house smells pretty, I decided to use this new Mrs. Meyer's peony scent multi-surface spray to clean the shelves. If you've seen any of my prior videos, you'll know that I love my Norwex cloths, and they would have worked just great in this area. But I really wanted a spring scent because I was in the mood, and this Mrs. Meyer's peony scent was beautiful. It made the house smell nice and clean, and it lasted for quite some time. was so nice to see all of the shelves cleaned off. I haven't seen that in quite a while. And even after I'd put away all of our winter things, there were still quite a few things I had here on the floor that I need to find homes for, either on the shelf or elsewhere. I can't tell you how satisfying it is to have this job done. I procrastinated on it and there was no need because it really didn't take any time and it was so worth it. Now onto the laundry room. I'm going to start by putting this week's laundry away now that everything is dried. Then I removed everything from the countertops because I'm going to get up on top of the shelves where I know it'll be very dusty and I'll be knocking down a lot of dirt. Another thing that I hadn't done in a while during zone cleaning in here was cleaning the light fixture. So I wanted to get that down and get it cleaned up. There were some bugs. It was really gross.
Makes me feel I belong to something.
So next I wanted to get down these boxes from on the top of the cabinets. They were full of light bulbs that I think we're going to donate. And then the next thing I did was vacuum up there because it was very dusty, I guess from all of the dryer lint. And the video didn't come out because I made a mistake with my camera. So when the tops of the shelves were all clean, I came back with my Mrs. Meyer's spray and sprayed the cabinets and cleaned those. On top of the refrigerator in our laundry room is where I keep this Norwex Enviro-Wand duster, and you've probably seen me use that around my house to dust, and I actually do dust on top of the refrigerator since I keep it up there pretty regularly, so it wasn't too bad. Before wiping all the countertops, I wanted to use my vacuum to get up any extra dust, especially since I probably knocked down a lot from the upper cabinets. This cabinet under the sink is the only one that I cleaned on the inside. It just tends to get dirty faster because of keeping the garbage and some cleaning supplies here. So I have my garbage can on the left, a cleaning bucket underneath the plumbing just in case there's a leak, and we keep things for cleaning the windows in there. I've got my caddy for all of my bathroom cleaning supplies, and now that that's done, it looks so much better. After wiping down all of the lower cabinets, I wanted to clean the stainless steel on the refrigerator. I use my Norwex Enviro cloth, as you've seen in my previous videos. For stainless steel, I find that they're great. They don't leave any residue behind like stainless steel cleaners can, and I follow the Enviro cloth with this glass cloth, which gives it a great streak-free shine. Now that the countertops and cabinets are all clean, I will bring back everything that I usually keep here, and I will wipe them down before I put them away. The last thing was to vacuum and to mop the floors. Now that things are all clean, I'll give you a little tour of what I keep in our laundry room drawers and cabinets. In this first drawer on the left, I keep the Norwex cloths. They need to be separated because if you wash them with other towels and linens, they will pick up lint, which will make them ineffective. Below that, I keep all of our sort of plant supplies and mason jars and lids. In these cabinets, I keep all of my Melaleuca cleaning products and laundry products, a lot of extra rags and towels for cleaning, and on the top shelf, just light bulbs that we're using and miscellaneous things. In the cabinet on the right, I keep my iron and little hand steamer plus some extra cleaning supplies, my new Mrs. Meyer's spring cleaning supplies, and just some miscellaneous things on top. In here we have some tablecloths, lunch boxes, and more mason jars. This is where I keep extra tissues and paper towels. As you can see, I need to go to the store, and extra fabric and some extra plastic bins. In this cabinet over the refrigerator, I have some bins with some of our pet items, some cooler bags for the pool and picnics, and a hand vacuum, other miscellaneous items like rugs that we're not using right now. Thanks for zone cleaning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit the bell icon so that you can be notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.